So if you want to find the best deals on Rakuten in 2026, yeah, this is the full guide to help you save more money and get the highest cashback possible. First, go to the featured or trending deals section where Rakuten highlights the best current offers. Next, sort stores by highest cashback percentage to quickly find the best rewards. Now compare different stores for the same product because cashback rates can vary. Next, look for boosted cashback offers like double or triple rewards. Now, use the Rakuten browser extension to get alerts while shopping. Next, combine coupons with cashback for extra savings. Now, shop during big sale events like holiday promotions. Next, enable notifications so you don't miss deals. Finally, always check your dashboard to confirm your cashback is tracked. And that's it. That's how you find the best deals on Rakuten step by step in 2026.